Hello and welcome to Kitchen Chemistry with Essential Wholesale and Labs. I'm Tinica and today we're making a chocolate banana body mask. Today we're going to make a chocolate banana body mask. It's a powder that you simply hydrate with whatever you want. So of course you'll need a few ingredients. Okay, to start with, you'll need the cocoa clay and goat milk soothing facial mask as your base product. And you'll need USDA certified organic banana juice powder. Okay, so we're simply going to add our banana juice powder to our facial mask to make a body mask. Yes, chocolate banana body mask is what we're going for. Okay, so I've added my banana juice powder and I'm going to whisk these together. Now I would suggest if you're making, this is enough for a 1 pound batch. If you're making a smaller batch, of course, just by cutting the ingredients in the recipe that we give you, or if you just want to make sure it really blends smoothly, I suggest putting it in a food processor and mixing it there. Sometimes the banana juice powder can get a little clumpy because it loves water, and of course it's organic, so we can't put any of those nice fresh pack things in there. We wouldn't want to because it's organic. We want to keep it nice and organic. Okay, so you can see that comes together super easy. It's very easy to make, and you can hydrate this with water, with milk, with yogurt, with juice if you choose. There's a lot of ways to do this. No preservative needed because you're only going to hydrate as much as you want to use in the moment. So this can be used on your whole body, including your face, including your hair if you wish. It's got some nice clay in there to do good things for your hair. We hope you enjoy your new chocolate banana body mask. You can find a link to purchase the ingredients needed by clicking the More button directly below the video. And thanks for joining us. Be sure to subscribe for more great videos.